Hey guys, Adam Lazy Guy DIY, and today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on a tool, or it's not exactly a tool, it's a piece of gear that is basically the little brother of something I reviewed a while back. You may remember the Striker Tri-Light. It's this crazy looking, I would call it a Star Wars looking light that is motion sensing. It's all LED. I put it in my garage in the house. It was pretty cool. I went through Kickstarter. Well, this is the little brother. This is called the Rover. It's 1200 lumens. It's got a USB rechargeable port here. It has 4 modes for light, so let me flip through them here and not blind you. But it's a great little tough light that you can take anywhere. It's got a steel frame, so it's nice and tough and durable. If you squeeze this thing, it's not going to go anywhere. You can actually adjust the field of the light as well. But it is a tough little guy. You can hang it up, you can mount it on the job site, you can mount it on the wall, take it camping, set it on the side of the road if you have like an accident or something and you just want to let people know that you're there. And it's compact too, so it's something you can definitely fold down and stow away, whether it's in your bag for camping or underneath your car or something. But it's a great little light. It just got funded on Kickstarter, and this is Striker again. This is the Striker Rover, so I'll put some links in the notes and go check it out.